Hello, everyone. I'm a maker education trainer from DF Robot. It's a pleasure to embark on a learning journey today with all of you as we explore our robot, Maqueen Plus, as well as the HuskyLens artificial intelligence camera. Before you commence your learning, kindly proceed to www.mindplus.cc via the official website to complete the download and installation in order to align with our operations and teaching. Now, let's dive into our primary learning objective today. What is Maqueen Plus? Maqueen Plus is an STEAM educational robot designed with enhanced features, making it more flexible and user-friendly. It supports graphical coding platforms like MakeCode and Mind Plus. With these platforms, we can craft a variety of fascinating projects simply by dragging and snapping blocks. Before we begin, let's explore the components of Maqueen Plus. Although it may appear as a small vehicle robot, it's packed with rich hardware. For instance, it features RGB headlights, line tracking sensors, a buzzer, and an array of expandable interfaces to effortlessly connect additional open-source hardware, allowing you to create your unique vehicle robot with ease. To operate Maqueen, we utilize the familiar micro-bit as the main control board. Whether it's V1 or V2, it comes loaded with a rich array of sensors such as light sensors, magnetometers, accelerometers, and LED screen, buttons, etc., providing ample room to enhance the functionalities of our Maqueen Plus. Next, please use the USB cable to connect the main control board to the computer. To prevent accidental activation of your Maqueen, it's advisable to detach the main control board separately. Alternatively, please switch off the switch at the bottom of your Maqueen Plus. After the connection, let's acquaint ourselves with the programming software and its interface that we'll be using today, Mind Plus. Mind Plus is a youth-oriented programming software that integrates various mainstream control boards and hundreds of open-source hardware. It supports artificial intelligence, AI, and Internet of Things, IoT, functionalities. You can use drag-and-drop graphical programming and advanced programming languages like Python, C++ for an enjoyable creative experience. Today, we'll learn how to utilize Mind Plus to graphically program Maqueen Plus and HuskyLens. Now, please double-click to open the Mind Plus programming software. Our first step is to notice 3 different programming modes in the top right corner of the interface. Today, we'll use the offline mode. Please click on the offline icon in the top right corner. Once switched, you should see an interface similar to the one in my presentation. First, let's acquaint ourselves with the operating interface. The menu bar at the top allows us to save programs and connect hardware. On the left, within the command area, we find all our graphical programming commands. Below the command area, an expansion button leads to an area where we can add more open-source hardware graphical programming modules. The central area is where we craft our programs. In case of accidental module deletion during programming, we have round buttons in the lower right corner for undoing mistakes and zooming in and out of the programming instructions. The top right side features a small toolbar. Here, we'll use the upload button to upload the program to the micro-bit. On the upper right side, there's an area that auto-generates C code. Should you find it too space-consuming, you can hide or narrow it. In the lower right corner, we find our serial port area. Any program errors will be displayed here in text. Alright, I trust that everyone now has a preliminary understanding of the entire programming interface, and will continue to become more familiar while operating later. Moving on to step 2, we need to click on the expansion button in the lower left corner of the programming interface. Then select micro-bit. Next, click on the shield in the menu bar and choose Maqueen Plus. After adding these, click back in the upper left corner to return to the main interface. By doing this, we should observe the micro-bit icon and the expansion board icon at the bottom of the programming module on the left. Additionally, we should see corresponding pink and mint green modules. For step 4, if you're using Mind Plus and open-source hardware on your computer for the first time, you'll need to start by completing the installation of the serial port driver required by the computer. Simply select this option in the Connect Device drop-down menu and then follow all the installation prompts that appear. After this, a pop-up window will emerge. Click Complete or Close. The last step involves moving the mouse to Connect Device once more and clicking on the device name with the micro-bit pattern in the drop-down box. You'll notice that the position of Connect Device in the menu bar has changed to your device name. This indicates that you have successfully connected the main control board and the software.